welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is March 7th, 2025, and we're diving into National CineMedia's latest earnings report for the fourth quarter and full year of 2024. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. National CineMedia, the largest cinema advertising platform in the U.S., has just released their earnings, and there's a lot to unpack, especially with the recent trends in cinema advertising and the impact of blockbuster films.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the revenue figures. National CineMedia reported a revenue of $86.3 million for the fourth quarter, which is a 5.1% decrease compared to the same period last year. John, what are your thoughts on this?
While the revenue did see a slight decline, it's important to note that this marks the fifth consecutive quarter where the company exceeded its guidance. The decrease was primarily due to an unfavorable movie slate compared to last year's overperformance with films like Taylor Swift: The Eras Tour. However, the net income for the quarter was $24.7 million, translating to an EPS of 26 cents, which is a positive sign of profitability.
And how did the full year look?
For the full year 2024, revenue decreased by 7.3% to $240.8 million. This was largely due to decreased attendance from a reduced movie slate, impacted by the writer and actor strikes in 2023. Despite this, the company managed to reduce its operating loss significantly from the previous year.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts were forecasting an EPS of 20 cents for the quarter, based on a survey of 2 analysts. How did National CineMedia perform against these expectations?
National CineMedia exceeded expectations with an actual EPS of 26, beating the forecast by 0.6 cents. This outperformance can be attributed to effective cost management and the strong performance of their advertising network, despite the challenges in the movie slate.
That's certainly a positive outcome. What does this say about the company's operational efficiency?
It indicates that National CineMedia is effectively managing its operations and costs, which is crucial in an industry that's heavily influenced by external factors like film releases and audience attendance.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Moving on to operational efficiencies, the adjusted OIBDA for the fourth quarter was $35.0 million. How does this reflect on the company's operational performance?
The adjusted OIBDA, although slightly down from last year, still represents a strong margin of 40.6%. This shows that National CineMedia is maintaining solid operational efficiency, even with the revenue challenges.
Looking ahead, what is the company's outlook for the first quarter of 2025?
For Q1 2025, the company expects revenue between $34 million and $36 million, with some challenges anticipated due to lower expected impressions and delayed advertising spend. However, they remain optimistic about the second quarter, which is pacing ahead of last year.
CEO's vision and strategic initiatives. CEO Tom Lesinski mentioned the company's focus on advancing its leadership in cinema advertising. Can you elaborate on this strategy?
Absolutely. Lesinski highlighted the success of their NCMx data platform, which is driving measurable ROI for advertisers. The company is leveraging its position as a premium advertising platform to connect brands with audiences through the power of cinema, and they plan to build on this momentum in 2025.
How does this align with their strategic initiatives?
It aligns well with their goal to enhance their advertising network and capitalize on the enduring appeal of the theatrical experience. By focusing on innovation and audience engagement, National CineMedia aims to strengthen its market position.
Key takeaways. In summary, National CineMedia has shown resilience in a challenging environment with a strong EPS performance and strategic focus on cinema advertising. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
National CineMedia's ability to exceed EPS expectations and their strategic initiatives in cinema advertising make them a compelling investment, especially as the industry continues to recover. Their focus on innovation and audience engagement positions them well for future growth.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on National CineMedia's performance in the comments below.